Hey everybody, it's Lizzy Pico with Lizzy's Beast Kitchen. I'm just here gonna show y'all a couple things. I'm making some Sebian pizza, and I'm also making a Sebian wrap, which is like a Hot Pocket but Sebian style. That cheese is actually a Sebian cheese that I found at the co-op. Yeah, the co-op has Sebian cheese now, y'all, so go get it. It's a Sebian mozzarella cheese that I did. Under there, you've got red pepper, orange pepper, yellow pepper, green pepper, onions. You've got some Sebian sausage. And, of course, I made the crust. Sebian crust made out of spelt bread. So that's in here cooking. And this is in here cooking as well. And I just wanted to really show you guys this because, hold on, let me wipe the camera. I just wanted to show you guys this so you can see, you know, you can make pizza. You can eat all the things that you really like to eat, you know. You just have to be able to be comfortable cooking it. So this is going to be really good. I stuffed that with some Sebian vegan mozzarella. Let me get closer for you guys. There you go. Y'all see that? All right. And also, by the way, guys, this is an amazing way to make pie. So, heads up. This is the pizza that you eat, the same crust that I use for this pizza, y'all. Hey, Angel. I love you, Mom. Say hey to them kids for me. The same crust that I use for this pizza, you guys, is what I use for this wrap. And that's also what I'm going to use to make like a little apple date pie later. I stuffed the wrap with this right here. This right here is Sebian, y'all. Sebian beans. You see that? They come out very soft and very delicious. You can put whatever seasonings you want in these, and it comes out very good. I've got some Sebian sausage and some good stuff in there. Can y'all see that? Okay. That with some of the Sebian cheese is what I stuffed this with. And so you guys know how I did it. Now, also, this is actually, I buy these plantain chips, and this is the dip for it. But this is also beans, so you can eat it as beans, or you can eat it as bean dip. You could just dig it right in there and eat it. It's really, really good. Really good, guys. Okay, so let's go over here. Okay. This is the dough that I'm using to make the pizza and to make the pie, and it's also the dough that I'm using to make the fritter, well, the hot pocket I showed you guys. All you have to do is get a little bit of spelt. That's the pasta, guys, because I'm going to have some pasta with the pizza. But get some spelt, regular spelt. I didn't use white. I used regular whole spelt. Put like a cup and a half of spelt flour and a cup of spring water. Put like a dash of salt. Put about 2 teaspoons of grapeseed oil and whatever seasoning you want, depending on how you want the crust to taste. And roll it out. It's not the same as pasta, guys. This is not... Pasta is 3/4 and 3/4. When you're doing crust like this, it's 1.5 to 1 cup. And look, I didn't even use all the cup of water. Okay? I only used about 3/4 of that. So, whenever you use your water, have a cup of water, but only use like 3/4 of it. Because this is not pasta, y'all. This is pizza dough. And you have to cook it right away. So, because if you don't want it to be like this, which is how you do it when you make the spaghetti. You want it to be like how I showed you when you're going to make pie or when you're going to make pizza. You know, that nice crunchy crust like that. So my timer is up, which means my fritter is done. This one is done. Pizza's going to stay in there for like another 10 minutes. When y'all first start doing the Sebian cooking, you're going to want to use your timer. because the Sebian ingredients are very, very, how can I explain this? You're cooking with natural food, y'all. There's no preservatives in this. So it's gonna cook up, you know? You see that? Now I'm gonna cut this open on the camera so that you guys can kind of see what's going on. I just wanted to start the timer, but I'm gonna cut this open on camera for y'all. I'm just gonna grab a little butter knife because it shouldn't be too hard to cut. But, look at that, guys. Look at that. Ta-da! Okay. Now, on the inside of this is Sebian sausage, quinoa, Sebian mozzarella, Sebian kamut beans. I've got Sebian vegetable broth in here. And vegetables like tomatoes, mushroom, and onion are in here. The mushroom I've used is portobello. I'm trying to, the vegetable stock that I used, y'all, was only like 90% Sebian because instead of using romaine, which I normally use, I used bok choy. But that's okay. Because look, it's still so yummy. Check that out. The flavor of this is a Philly cheesesteak. If you guys are wondering what it tastes like. But, you just gotta so that you guys can kind of see. Hey, Tara, I love you. I miss you. If you get to see Boyd Tone for his birthday, tell him I said happy birthday. And okay, guys, so you get a good idea of how to make a Sebian Philly cheesesteak out of kamut, quinoa, mushroom, Sebian sausage, and some other good stuff. I will be taking the pizza out here in just a moment whenever it's done. So you guys can see how wonderfully flaky this is. Check that out. That's really good, guys.
Wow.
I'm about to eat it. Oh, man. Woo! Oh, wow, guys. You're going to love this one. What down, baby? You guys are going to love this. I promise you're going to love this. This is very delicious. If you have any questions on how I made it, please hit me up, as y'all always do. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Here's what the bottom looks like. See? Just a hot pocket. Y'all, that is really good. I'm going to get off of here because I'm about to eat the heck out of this. And as soon as the pizza is done, I will come back and let everyone know about the pizza so that everybody can kind of be on the same page, you know? So give me about 15 minutes, you guys, and I'll be back. I love y'all. Keep it Sebian. God bless you and namaste.